In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in WhatsApp. This is a super useful feature that can make decision-making within your group chats a breeze. Whether you're deciding on the next hangout spot, figuring out what movie to watch, or just having fun, polls in WhatsApp are the way to go. So, let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First things first, you're going to need to head over to whatsapp.com. Once you've navigated to the website, the next step will be to log into your account. Simply find the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your credentials, and you should be directed to your WhatsApp home once you've successfully logged in. Now, from your WhatsApp home, it's time to select a contact or a group where you want to create the poll. Think about the participants you want to involve in your decision-making process. Maybe it's a family group, a group of friends, or co-workers. Once you've decided, click on the chat to open it. In the chat, look towards the bottom of the screen where you usually type your messages. There, you'll see an icon that looks like a paperclip. This is the Attach button. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to various features, including sending media and documents. But today, we're interested in the poll feature. Once you click on Attach, a few options will pop up, and you'll want to select Poll. This is usually indicated by an icon or listed option in the drop-down menu. When you click on Poll, WhatsApp will open up a new window or dialog where you can start creating your poll. Now comes the fun part. It's time to create a poll. You'll be prompted to enter a question and provide options for your recipients to choose from. Be clear and concise with your question, and make sure to include options that cover all possible responses your friends or colleagues might have. You can usually add multiple options, so feel free to be thorough. After you've set up your poll question and all of your options, double-check everything to make sure it's just right. Review the question and the choices you've given, and once everything looks good, go ahead and send the poll by hitting the Send or Create button. That's it. You've now successfully created a poll in WhatsApp. Keep an eye on the chat as your group members start to vote. You'll be able to see the results as they come in, allowing for a quick and easy way to make group decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy polling!